know what's wild right now is I pulled up to this spot at 1:20 a.m. Gates don't open till 5. I pulled up at 1:20 and I was probably 10th or 11th in line. If you don't think that I'm a different breed of angler, you're wrong. All right, good morning. Out here on this brand new lake. Never fished here before, but I've only heard good things. All right, and it's cold. It's 54 degrees right now. It's a little chilly, and it's May, so hopefully this warms up a bit. Hopefully we keep the wind down, and hopefully we get on some fish. I did something I usually don't do, and I brought way too many rods. I'm definitely like a minimalist angler. I brought way too many, and only because I don't want to really retie a lot. So I'm hoping to just throw a variety of things out here and get on some fish. Will I catch any fish? I don't know. But as always, no expectations. All right, let's get after it. Everything I do is start with a spinnerbait. There we go. Finally got one. I felt to pick that one up. There we go. Oh man. It has been some hours. It's been some hours. But we finally got it done. And it's got a little tag on it too. Kind of cool. All right, 13.5. Finally beat the skunk. You know, it's got a little tag on it. That's kind of cool. All right, man. 13.5. Not a bad way to beat the skunk. All right. That kind of made me feel something, you know. Made me feel something, you know. I'm happy to finally break the skunk. All right. Fish was caught, and I caught that on the bandito bug, Guggen, coming through. If I can get something going here, bounce this bandito bug, man. It's been a pretty quiet day for me. There we go. There we go again. Come on, there we go. Dinky ain't gonna make it, but still got him though. Still got him though. He ain't gonna make the cut. He ain't gonna make it. 12 inches on the dot. Bare minimum. He makes it, just like that. way up. On the way. Oh no. On the way. Oh no. Oh no. Dang, he spit that hook. I had him though. It was good, I had him. I'm not even gonna lie, I was bouncing on the bottom and I saw my fish finder, some bigger marks. So I decided to just reel it up real slow. And that's kind of cool. That's the first time I've ever used my fish finder like that. Oh, I did sight cast him. Oh, got him. Yes, sir. A little dink, but not worried about it. Come on now. All right. +1 for the sight cast on the Japanese, boom, JDM fuzzball. Let's go. We'll take that for sure. Hey, this ain't bad. 13. Ain't much, but honest work on the Japanese fuzzball. All right, jump on me. Got another one. Here we go. Ooh. Come on now. Oh man. I don't know. Are we onto something with this fuzzy dice here? Hey, 12.5 on the fuzzy dice. I'm not mad at it. Not mad at all. Oh, I'm about to sight cast him too. He's about to get that too. He's got it. He ate it. He ate it. He ate it. Oh no! I ripped it out of his mouth. Oh, he's still on. He's on. He's on. He's on. That one ate it too. Oh, this is a nicer one too. Nice one, isn't it? Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm in like a little honey hole now. Let's freaking go, man. Side casted that one. Dropped it right in front of his face. 13 right there. Another one down, come on. They like this fuzzy dye. There we go. Got a nice one here.
There you go.
It's a little rat. We'll take rats around here. We don't mind rats. We'll take that little 13. All right, appreciate you, man. Oh, look at this, dude. Big. Oh, this is the catch of the freaking day right here. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh. Look how humongous this is. Literally bigger than my hand. Dude, this is insane. This ain't no joke of a bluegill. PB bluegill for sure. Dang. Imagine how good that dude is to eat. Gotta call it. Got here at 1:30 a.m. to fish, and it's now 1 p.m. The tournament is over. Lines out at 1. I'm finishing today with 10 bass caught in one friggin' mega bluegill that fought harder than all the bass put together. I had an amazing day out here. The opportunity to come out here and fish this lake was amazing. It's beautiful. I wanted to get the GoPro, or I wanted to get the drone up, but it's just a little too windy to hit it right now. I kind of missed my window, and that's just because I was fishing and I was catching fish. So let's go over some things that I threw today. All right, chatterbait, nothing. The Senko, nothing. Spinnerbait, nothing. Glide bait, nothing. Big swim bait, nothing. Drop shot on the morning dawn worm, nothing. I caught all those bass on 2 baits. One was the bandito bug. All right. The other was this freaking bait right here. This thing. I was getting skunked for like 2 hours straight, and everybody around me was catching fish. So it was getting a little daunting, but I was flipping that bug into the brush, able to pull out 2 largies, and nothing after that. Decided to switch to that cue ball because I remember that I brought it with me and was just catching them. Every spot that I stopped, I caught a bass, and it was phenomenal. Those things have become so popular lately, and they just look like the dumbest baits ever, but they work, and it's so crazy. Anyways, if you stuck around to the end, I appreciate you guys. Being able to watch me fish this lake, it means a lot to me. So all of you guys, I appreciate every single one of you. Thanks for tuning in. If you like what you see, give me a like, give me a comment, shoot me a DM. I respond to all the comments. I'll answer all the DMs. Hit subscribe. I really appreciate it. Don't forget, my goal is 700 subscribers. I think I'm at like 620 now. So I'm getting close to the annual goal, and it's only May, baby. I appreciate you guys. Peace. What's going on?
We're fishing the game, just checking fishing licenses,
Oh, cool.
and hooks and all that.
Oh boy.